Howdy, and welcome back to Celebrating Vintage Model Kits. Going to do something different today. I got a group of built 50s model kits that wanted to do an unboxing of. So you're going to see them the first time I'm going to see them. And hopefully we got something pretty cool here. So let's get started by opening up the box and see what we get. So I've never gotten pre-built kits sight unseen, well, not sight unseen, but through the internet. Some of the pre-built kits that I've gotten at model kit shows, a few at like antique swap meets, some estate sales. This is my first time getting them online, and so hopefully they've arrived intact. So let's see what we got here. A little bit of stuffing going on here, and make sure I'm not missing any parts. And let's see, camera's wanting to fall over here. Okay, so here's our first one, and I believe this is Aurora. Originally they called, I think, the Yak 25. Then they changed it to a MiG-19, which is kind of a fantasy aircraft. And these were originally molded in a kind of a metallic green, which I think maybe you're kind of able to see inside. At some point somebody put a coat of gray paint on it. And this, I think, is the later version of the kit, because the first issuing of it did not have landing gear or ordnance. So since we see some holes for landing gear and the typical rockets that would come with these early Aurora kits, this is probably a little bit of a later issue of it. And it also has the rivets on it, so overall pretty cool. Looks like there may be a repair on this tail, but pretty neat. Looks like someone added a little loop to maybe hang this, so pretty neat. It's a pretty hard to find airplane, and something I've wanted in the stash. So let's get to the next one. So we've got, looks like that tail piece goes in there. So next one's a F9F Cougar, F9F6, and not sure who the maker would be on this one. Possibly Hawk kit on this, maybe. Don't see any names on here, but I'll have to do a little bit of checking, but I think this may be a Hawk. But looks pretty good. It's in pretty good shape. Just have to reattach this tail plane. Looks like it had a nose probe. Maybe that's in here. I don't remember if that was originally with it in the pictures, but we'll go back and look at that. Lights there. Next up is a MiG-15. Looks like the same thing. The tails fell off of this one. Not a big deal. We can get those back together. And not sure who makes this one. But overall, in pretty good shape. A little bit of research, try to figure this one out. And there's our tail planes. Set that one aside. And then we've got, oh yeah, here is the nose probe for the Cougar. And then we've got another Aurora Panther. So this one's just completely in blue. So look what I'm going to do with this one. I may respray it in a darker blue. But I was going to hand paint all the insignia on here. See how that comes out. And this one looks like does have its nose probe as well. So we got that. I think that's it for this box. Yep. Okay. All right. So there you have it. We've got 4 50s jets. I believe it's an Aurora. This is the Aurora F9F Panther. Got the Mystery Cougar. Got a MiG-15. And the Fantasy MiG-19 Su-25, also from Aurora. So there we go. Stay tuned. We'll have another unboxing of another set that I got. So thanks for watching. Oh, and if you do know what this MiG and this Cougar are, you put it in the comment section so we can identify who makes these kits here. Well, thanks for watching, and have yourself a great rest of your day.